Welcome to the luxury and convenience of spa benefits at home. I'm proud to introduce you to the Nu Skin Facial Spa, cleared by the FDA as a medical device. Small, smart, and powerful, the spa is a facial toning device featuring microcurrent technology that stimulates the skin. For best results, we recommend using the facial spa 2 or 3 times a week as part of the ultimate anti-aging regimen. So, what does that mean for you? Vibrant, youthful-looking skin today and in the future. Nu Skin's ultimate anti-aging regimen includes 4 easy steps. It's important to start with a clean face, so the first step is to cleanse with ageLOC Gentle Cleanse and Tone. The second step is using your face spa. If you haven't already, remove the plastic film from both sides of the spa. Next, attach the facial conductor. To attach the conductor, you'll line up the indicator notch with the front of the spa and press firmly. Apply a generous amount of Nu Skin conductive gel to your face in a gentle upward-outward motion, avoiding the eyes. Many people like to spray their hand with NAPCA Moisture Mist and use that same hand to hold the spa in order to get good conductivity. Your facial spa has several treatment settings designed to optimize the spa's results. Hold the spa so the screen is facing you and press the selection button 4 times to get the spa treatment setting 4 on the display panel. This is a 5-minute treatment as indicated by the 5 that appears next to the clock icon. Now, touch the spa to your face and you'll hear 1, 2, or 3 beeps. The current level is now active and the spa will beep every 10 seconds to indicate that it's still working. Make sure your fingers are in full contact with the chrome panel and make sure that the spa stays in contact with your skin at all times. There are specific techniques that you can use to get the most out of your spa treatment, so make sure to watch the facial spa demonstration video to see these techniques and learn how to best focus on your areas of concern. Once you have 30 seconds remaining, the spa will beep every 5 seconds until the first treatment of your session is complete. After completing the first treatment, you're ready to start the second 5-minute treatment. Generously apply more conductive gel to your face. Press the button on the facial spa 3 times to select the 3rd treatment setting. The treatment time of 5 minutes will show next to the clock icon. Go ahead and again touch the spa to your face. Once the spa is set to your skin, begin your treatment using gentle upward-outward motions. When your second 5-minute treatment is complete, your session is done. To turn off the spa, simply press the button until the screen goes blank. Using a damp cloth, remove any remaining gel from your face. Now is also a good time to remove the conductor, sanitize, and dry the instrument thoroughly. Now that you've completed the facial spa treatment, you're ready to finish your regimen. Step 3 of your ultimate anti-aging regimen is to apply ageLOC Rejuvenating Gel Mask, which delivers a powerful concentration of ageLOC to your skin. Step 4 is to finish with a Nu Skin moisturizer or treatment product of your choice. For example, ageLOC Future Serum, ageLOC True Face Essence Ultra, or ageLOC Radiant Day. As you can see, getting results in the comfort and convenience of your own home couldn't be easier. Enjoy the ultimate anti-aging regimen for a younger looking you, now and in the future.